Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Erika. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful origami bird. I think it's such a good idea to hang it by the window, so we're going to put a strings at the end. And good thing is it's super easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, this is what you need. 1 sheet of square paper and pen. I'm gonna start with the white side up. Let's fold the paper in half from the bottom point to the top point. Fold diagonally. Turn it and fold the paper in half again from point to point. Now let's fold the top point to the bottom right corner. Flip the model over and top to bottom. Okay, next, fold the top corner to the bottom edge. Take one layer and fold it down. And you want to crease it very well. Unfold, open up, and this triangle, you are going to tuck this in. So let's fold along with this line, and this line you just want to reverse fold it to the other side. So you can close the flap like this. Perfect. We're gonna flip this over and repeat. Top to down. And crease very, very well. Open up. And close. Perfect. So we have open end on the right hand side. Just take one layer and fold it down like this, and also the other side. Take this layer down. Perfect. So let's take a look at this diagonal line and fold the bottom edge along with this line like this, and crease. We're gonna open up this flap. Poke your finger in like this and collapse. And along with this center line, fold in half. Perfect. Let's rotate the model like this, and we are going to fold the beak. Open up the flap. You can push this point down like this and close both flaps. There you have it. The beak. You can adjust the angle and crease well. Perfect. Now you have this beautiful bird, but I want to add a little texture to the tail and also the wings. So let's fold a little bit more So we can fold this edge to the outer edge and unfold. Also, let's connect this point, this corner here, and this top point, and fold the wing diagonally. Like this. And fold one more time. And unfold. Perfect. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Unfold. Unfold. There you go. If you look from above, you have beautiful open wings. And let's add cute eyes. Perfect. And here I have simple needle and thread. Put this around here. Like this. And there you go. You can hang this beautiful bird by the window. Fantastic. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed making this beautiful origami bird. Until next time, stay well. Bye for now.